Kadba ki kunhun mo per ki dang dawa ba de ban pynsangeh chwa ya ka jingthung kam thung jam kadba ka jingpan kre ban pentre kam ya ka reservation roster umentri rang ba Conrad ki sangma ulakren dak basai ba ka jingthung kam thung jam kan omla ban pynsangeh habakren siglat pathai khubor Conrad ulong ba halo ka reservation roster office memorandum na ka lyang ka kunhun menteri kala Atiar ba bat khmil inti ba ka te ka office memorandum on pun mi no shen.
Yes, because recruitments cannot stop. I mean, if we put a stop to recruitment, then many of our youngsters who are meant to get jobs and who are going to apply for them, who will get overage as the days go by, will suffer. And hence, in the larger interest of ensuring that the youth get the jobs, while the review or the discussions of the committees will, deliberate on the different aspects of reservation policy, the recruitments will continue. The important decision today that was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster so that the reservation roster OM is clear. And with these amendments now in the office memorandum, the process of recruitment will also be starting post the office memorandum for the reservation roster that will come out most probably tomorrow or the after tomorrow.